Hello people, my name is Mari. Welcome to my channel. Let's just begin. Okay you guys, all I'm going to be doing over here is using one of those $3 bases, and I'm going to be applying some Mod Podge in the bottom of the base, all around of the base, but just the bottom part. Just like so. And this is regular Mod Podge. It's no gloss or anything like that. After I apply the Mod Podge, I'm going to be doing some shredded glass, like this one that you guys are seeing right over here, and I'm going to be putting glass all around in the bottom of the base. I'm using a plastic bag to catch all the shredded glass that is coming out of the base. And I'm going to be doing this twice. The second part, after the first part the first layer get dry, I'm going to be applying it again the second time, but it's gonna be with glitter. The Mod Podge going to have glitter on it, and of course I do that off camera. I use my hand just like that to trying to hold. And this is what I got left after the 2 layers of shredded glass. Now I'm going to be using this ribbon, silver ribbon, and I'm going to be putting it in the top of the base. I'm going to be using a combination of hot glue, Gorilla Hot Glue, and Gorilla Glue, the regular Gorilla Glue. Like you guys see me doing right over here. This is real simple, you people. This is real simple. I apply the ribbon all around in the top. Real nice and tight. This ribbon is from Amazon. Yes, this ribbon is from Amazon. If I have it, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. And then after I finish applying the glue to the ribbon and finish the top part of the base, my camera went off, and you guys going to notice that I glued some diamonds between the ribbon and the shredded glass in the middle of the base, and you're going to see me doing some of them, but at the beginning the camera went off and you guys don't see that part. Right over here you see all those diamonds, but I'm going to be showing you how I did it right over here. I use glue and Gorilla Glue. Hot glue and Gorilla Glue. And this came out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Real simple, but adorable. I love it. I think I used like 10 or 11 diamonds all around the base, and just like that I have this lovely base. It came out so cute. I hope that you guys enjoy it and like it, and give me those thumbs up. You can use it just as it is, or you can use it with a candle inside, or with some flowers like you see right over here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye, you guys.